Hello everyone, I am JP Singh, a Microsoft certified trainer. In this example, we are going to learn name range and table. So this is a sample data where we are going to work. These all two small set of data is almost similar. Let's see an example. For example, if you want to do a sum of the salary, you simply write sum and you select the data here from ET to E11, that is a range basically, and you press enter, you will get the total sum of the salary available here. What we can do, we can select this particular range, which is again E2 to E11, and right click on that, and we can define a name, and we can give a simple name here, salary data. So while doing next time, you can do what is equal to sum, and you can write here salary data. Same thing can be done. Let's suppose if you want to give a name to entire data set, you can select that. You can go to a formula. The same option will appear here, that is a define name. In the formula tab, we can click on here and we can give a name here, that is an E data. Now guys, the scope, which is in the second option, the scope is a workbook level or a sheet level. You can choose from here. Comments are optional, and this refers to this particular range which you selected. This is an E1 to E11, and you click on OK. Now this entire data will be there as an E data. If you want to see how many name range you have created for the workbook, you can go to the name manager and you can see all here. Even you have an option to edit this, delete this. When you click on edit, you can increase or decrease the row and column depending upon your requirement. Now I am coming on to the second concept, which is a table. This data is visible in the tabular form, but technically this is not a table. If you want to make a table, proper table, you need to go to insert. Before going to insert, I select the data anywhere in this, so I can go to the table. The shortcut is Ctrl plus T. You can use that shortcut also. I am clicking on table. It is again showing a small window to me, which is actually taking the entire range A1 to E11. At the same time, it is telling my table has header. So my table has header means the first row will be created as a column header. If you uncheck that, a new column header will be appear like in column 1, column 2, column 3. So it is your choice. So in my case, it is available. I click on OK. This is converted into table. So this is a table number which is there. Now I am clicking on to the second data, again converting into a table. You can show hide the filter also. That is easily possible. If you convert back this table into range, again not difficult, you will get a design tab. When you click inside the table anywhere, this design tab has an option convert to range. When you click on convert to range, this entire data will be converted to a normal range other than a table, and this design tab will disappear because design tab is only visible when it is a table. So it is visible in this case. You can see here. This is the one difference. Second, there is some other difference, like we can look at here with an example. If I am calculating an HRA column and if I am adding a new column here, which HRA is a 40% of the salary, let's suppose, we need to drag this down to fill it all. So it is available there, you can see, but this is not a part of name range. When you go and see in the formula tab, name manager, and when you click on to the E data, it is not the part of that. You have to select this manually to become a part of that particular name range. Click on OK. Now it is a part of the name range. But when you are doing the same operation in a table, the one thing, you will not get its A2, B2, D2 sort of cell addresses. When you click on to this N2, you will get an @salary. @salary means current row salaries, which is multiplied by, let's suppose, 40%. And when I press enter, the calculation will happen onto the entire table. And this is actually become a part of the table. So you do not need to make it as a change in the range, do not require, it will automatically become a part of your table. So this is what exactly name range is and what exactly table is and what is the difference between these two things. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching, keep learning.